Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than normal. I got a friend of mine coming over with his truck, and we are going to do a little walk around and a little drive ride along with him. And so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully you learn something from it. So yeah. Looks like he might need some new air after a little bit. Some new what? Some more air. It's a little bit smoky, not bad. Yeah, not smoky, man. Is that the lowest setting on your edge?
No, that's 2.
That's 2, okay. Alright guys, so you do have the S&B on it. Okay, what injectors do you have in it?
DDP 75 horse.
Okay, those are the brand new ones with no core?
Yeah, no core.
No
brand
core.
new.
Okay. And then the Edge Comp or Easy?
Easy.
Easy, okay, that's the 3-position chip in the cab. Okay. Yeah. And you do have the red head steering box on it too, right?
Yeah, it's got things that I've done to it, like we had talked about injectors. I got a 5-inch turbo back Diamond Eye exhaust, S&B cold air intake, the OE Fass lift pump.
Oh, okay, the Dodge direct replacement from Fass. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. And you have it all painted nice, kind of like I do on mine. Yeah.
Apex Cummins red.
Okay, well, I didn't quite get that fancy as some cheap Napa stuff that I got that is about the same color. So yeah, cool. So what for wheels are these? What the Moto Metal? What?
20x10 Moto Metals with running on 35s. It's got a BDS 3-inch lift in the front and 2-inch lift in the back. I did the add a leaf back there, give it a little extra cush. And then just the aluminum 3-inch spacers up here.
Okay, yeah.
And then Nitro 2 series shocks all the way around.
Okay, yeah. So you have, what is this exactly? What is it?
It's a 12-inch kicker sub.
Okay.
With a 1800 watt amp.
Okay.
Right here under the seat.
Okay.
Tucked in there nice. And then I got 6-inch oval 2-way speakers in the door.
Both doors?
Both doors.
Okay.
And then I figured what they sent me was 2 or 4 sets of ovals. And back here in the kicker panel here is a 5-inch circle speaker.
Okay.
So at the time being, I just put these in and didn't worry about those, and then I ordered a set. And then after riding it for a couple days, I figured it didn't need any more noise, so
yeah.
I didn't even worry about putting anything in there.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
cool. Yeah, that really makes some noise.